Hello guys, good morning. So I would like to say thank you to all the people who greeted my birthday. Who greeted? Sa mga nag-greet po. Thank you so much. So how old I am na ba? So 40 years old lang naman. 40 years old lang naman. So I am 40 years old na po. Then may nagsabi-sabi na medyo bata pa daw ako tingnan compare sa isang regular 40 years old. So simple lang po ang sagot yan. Healthy lifestyle lang po. So healthy lifestyle, then ito in the morning inom ka lang ng warm water. Huwag ka munang uminom ng coffee ha. Warm water lang, and then walking ka ng at least 30 minutes. Just like I said, 3 minutes of fast walk like this. Yung parang nagmamadali ka na maglakad, and then 3 minutes of a normal walk. So 5 sets every fast walk and every normal walk. So a total of 30 minutes. Ganun lang. And then start your meal with a high protein meal, then with fiber. So dapat yung kinakain mo talaga is high in protein and then high in fiber. Then kain ka rin ng carbohydrates or rice. Rice is life, guys. And then exercise ka, strength training. Kailangan mo talagang mag-weight ng weights. Mag-lift ng weights. Then inom ka naman maraming tubig. Enough sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours. Minsan 7 ako nakakatulog. Minsan din naman may times na 6, depende sa business, depende sa situation. And ganoon lang. Then iwas ka ng stress. So to have a younger look kahit wala kang mini-maintain na products. Yun lang, healthy lifestyle. And again, thank you so much sa mga nag-greet sa atin sa ating 40th birthday. So again guys, 40 na po tayo, and para hindi maging looking 40, healthy lifestyle talaga. So see you the next walk. Bye bye. Nagkakamutan guys, silingan. Bye bye.